Today I have a Mazda, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers, as well as the rear window wiper, in both the windshield washer and the rear window washer. But before I get started with this, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of a Mazda. In order to turn on the windshield wipers, what you'll have to do is look through the steering wheel. So I'm looking through the steering wheel of this Mazda, and there is a lever right here. On this particular Mazda, now note, with that being said, depending on your Mazda, the controls can be different. Different cars have different controls. So keep that in mind. So it's important to read your owner's manual. Now, on this particular Mazda, in order to operate the windshield wipers, you go to this lever right here. And this clever lever right here is where you operate it. Currently, it is in auto mode right here. All right, do you see this auto? Well, it's actually in off. Excuse me. So it was in off. Now I take this lever and I pull it down, and it is now in auto. Do you see this auto feature right here? That light is representative of the auto. And when water gets on the windshield or debris gets on the windshield and it detects something on the windshield, it will automatically turn on, wiping off whatever is on the windshield if it can. Supposedly, it should do that. But if you want a little bit more manual control, you can take this lever and you can actually turn the wipers off. So the selection is on here for the off. If you get a mist on your windshield and you just want it to wipe off the mist, what you'll do is you'll take this lever and you'll raise it up, and it wipes it just once, just to get the mist or whatever you have off of your windshield. And it goes back to the off without you having to do anything. Now, to turn it on low and high, you'll take this lever and you'll go towards the low. Currently it's in auto right now. I'm going to go to low, and it is on low manual mode. If I want it on high, I'll take this and I'll go down one more. And you see that right there? It is on high and it is moving high. All right. Now to turn it off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lever and I'm going to bring it back all the way up to auto if you'd like, or bring it to off, and it is now off. All right. So now that I have it off, I'm going to go to show you how to use the windshield washer. Okay. So the windshield washer, to wash off debris off of your windshield, you'll take this lever right here and pull it towards you. So I'm going to take this and pull it towards me. And you see water being dispensed on the windshield just like that. And it wipes it several times in order to get whatever on your windshield off using the washer. All right, so that is how you turn on the washer on the windshield. Now to the rear, okay, the rear of the vehicle, you have this knob right here, and the setting is currently in off. Now to turn it on, you have a couple of options. You have intermittent mode and you have on. All right, so I'm going to go to intermittence, and I think I'm able to adjust the intermittence with this knob right here. And this basically adjusts the intermittence with the wiping. All right, so to turn it on without having the intermittence, you just go ahead and go up. Actually, you don't go up like that. You go up by turning this knob to on. And if you look in the back, you'll see the windshield wiper or the rear window wiper is going. Now to turn it off, what you'll do is you'll take this knob and then you'll go doom, doom. And now it is off. All right. Now to wash the rear window, what you'll do is, if you come over to the side, you'll see, sometimes there's a button on some vehicles. I just got mistaken. But on this particular Mazda, in order to wash the rear, you just take this lever and you twist it. See down here, that washer thing? You twist it down. And if you look down on the back, you'll see it wiping and washing right there. And then when I release it, it goes back to the off function. All right. So that is how you operate the windshield wipers, windshield washer on a Mazda. Now, your particular Mazda may be different, so keep that in mind. And remember to read your owner's manual or your user manual so you know how to operate the windshield wipers, the rear window wiper, the rear window washer, and the windshield washer for your particular model of vehicle. Because all vehicles are different. That's what makes everything different, is being different. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.